In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error 0x8019019a when setting up Yahoo Mail in Windows 10 Mail. This is a common issue many users face, but don't worry as I'll walk you through the steps to resolve it. First, let's address the issue by generating a new app password for your Yahoo account. Begin by signing in to your Yahoo account using a web browser. Once you're logged in, head over to the account security settings. Here, you'll find an option labeled Manage App Passwords. This is where you can generate a brand new app password specifically for the Windows Mail app. Choose the option labeled Other App or something similar, and proceed to generate a 16-character password. Copy this password because you'll need it in just a moment. Next, open the Windows Mail app on your computer. Navigate to the settings by selecting the gear icon, then go to Manage Accounts. You'll want to add a new account here, so click on Add Account and pick Other Account, either POP or IMAP. Now enter your Yahoo email address and use that newly generated app password when prompted. This should help you successfully set up your Yahoo account without encountering the dreaded error message. If this method doesn't solve the issue, another effective approach is to reset the Windows Mail app. Be aware that this action will delete the app's data, including your sign-in details, which may effectively resolve the error. To do this, open the Start menu and type in Mail. Right-click on the Mail app from the search results and select App Settings. As you scroll down, you'll come across a section labeled Reset. Click Reset and confirm your choice. Once the reset process is completed, it's a good idea to restart your computer. After your system restarts, you'll need to re-add your Yahoo account in the Windows Mail app as previously outlined. The third method involves completely reinstalling the Windows Mail app. This step is particularly useful if the previous methods didn't work for you. Start by searching for Mail in your Start menu. Right-click on the Mail app and choose the Uninstall option. With the Mail app successfully uninstalled, open the Microsoft Store, search for Mail, and reinstall the official Mail and Calendar app from there. After the installation is complete, you can add your Yahoo account once more, following the same procedure as before. There you have it. These three methods should help you resolve error 0x8019019a when setting up Yahoo Mail in Windows 10 Mail. By meticulously following these steps, you can overcome the error and enjoy seamless email integration. Thanks for watching and good luck.